After applying the validations for all the pages with the form, um, we can see every time when the input element is invalid, it shows a red border, and top right hand corner there is a icon, exclamation mark icon for the invalid text boxes, and soon as we type the valid text into the text box, or when we select a valid option in the drop down or any other input element, the input element becomes green. It will have a green color border around the input element, and also we see a green color box applies as well. So let's see. Let's open one of these pages. So this one. So if I just click this next, now it shows this red color exclamation mark in addition to this red color border for the invalid inputs, and for the valid inputs it shows this green color check mark in addition to the green color border. So if I open this login page, and I have applied the validations for this one as well, and it shows the same thing, and soon as I start typing it shows that green check mark. So if I don't want to see this kind of check marks, and if I don't want to see that red color exclamation mark, we can simply add some rules to the CSS file so that it will not show up. So let me do that first. I will remove these check marks and exclamation marks from the login page, only login page. So let's see. So if I go to this main.scss, I have a comment here, rules for login page. In there, I'm going to add a new rule, and that rule is, so we know in this login page we have applied this form floating to this div to get the effect of this kind of effect. Move the placeholder up when we place the cursor. So that's why we added that form floating class. So I'm going to target that class in my SCSS file. And next, and also I have added that form control also here in this username text box, and also in this password text box. So I will next target that class form hyphen control. Then we have to use these pseudo classes. The first pseudo class is valid. So for the valid pseudo class, and also I have to remove these icons for the invalid pseudo class as well. Let me copy this, and this is for invalid, and for both of those I'm going to disable the background image, because this check mark and that exclamation mark is applying as background images. So I will set it to none, and I will add this important to give the higher precedence to that rule. So in addition to that, when we remove this background image, we need to remove the padding also that normally used by those background images. So otherwise it will have some space. So we need to remove that space that was used by those icons. So let me add this padding right, and I will set it to this, and also I will add this important. So once we add that to this main.scss, let's refresh again. And now let me click this login button. Now it does not show that exclamation icon when it is invalid. So when we type some valid text, it shows the text box in green color, but it does not show that check mark. So that's what we wanted for this login page. Similarly, let's refresh this other one, the add_stu personal, and if we click next, still it shows those icons. And if you want to remove those icons from other forms as well, just to show this kind of uh, valid or invalid styles, so I can simply add modify that rule little bit. So instead of this form floating dot form control, we can also add two more things, that is form control valid, and also form hyphen control invalid. So because these other uh, pages, those pages does not have form hyphen floating, those only have form hyphen control in their input elements. So we are targeting that, those input elements also we are targeting now, and we are going to remove the icon from those as well. So after save that, let me refresh again this page, and if I try to submit, now it shows this red color border, but that icon is no longer showing. And soon as we start typing valid text, it shows the green border, but icon is no longer visible.